Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I'm going to teach you how you can fix if your messenger update is not showing on your Instagram. So there are various fixes that I am going to teach you to possibly fix the problem. So first, or is you'll need to update your Instagram. So the first way to fix Instagram update messaging not showing is to simply update your Instagram app, because an update might fix some in bugs, or the newest version may include the messenger feature available for you. So to update your Instagram app, go to the latest version, go to your Google Play or the App Store on your device, then search for Instagram and check if there's an available update on the app's detail page. And then what you can do next is try a VPN. However, if you're living in Europe, this way won't fix Instagram Messenger update not working. You need to wait for Instagram to release this feature in your country. Alternatively, try a VPN. So a VPN can change your location on Instagram. So you should uninstall the existing Instagram app on your device, then enable the VPN, and then download Instagram from Google Play Store and App Store. And then once the new Instagram app is installed, open it and follow the steps in the last part to update Instagram messaging. And then next, what you can do is log out of Instagram and back in. So you can also log out of Instagram and log back in, and then just try refresh the feed to fix Instagram Messenger update not working. And then you can also clear Instagram app data. The Instagram Messenger update not showing problem might be caused by the accumulated data in the Instagram app. You can try to clear the app data to fix it. So if you're using an Android, go ahead and go to your settings app, and then click on to the apps and then Instagram, and then go to the storage part, and then just simply click the clear cache and clear data, and then open the Instagram app and log in and check if the messenger icon is showing. And then you can check the messages option. To fix Instagram Messenger not working, you can check the messages option in the app settings. Go to your profile, then click the three lines menu, and then select the settings, and then click on the privacy, and then tap messages, and then you'll see the messages control. You don't have to make any changes. Just exit the Instagram app, restart your phone, and then open this app and check if you can see the messenger icon. And then lastly, what you can do is to fix Instagram for help, or contact Instagram for help. So in the following methods, if the mentioned methods can fix Instagram Messenger update not showing, it is time to ask Instagram for help. So you can go to your profile and then click the three lines, and then select the settings, and then choose help, and then click your report a problem. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.